Today we're going to be looking at some people who could have had the Infinity Stones in comics, anywhere, or anything. First one, in Guardians of the Galaxy movie, the Watcher shows this guy and shows that he had the Power Stone. So, he is this big ruler and he had the Power Stone. Now, there's another person I'd like to talk about, Mortis. Now, I know they say that in Inhumans, the live-action Inhumans TV show, they say that Mortis got his powers from the chamber and the crystal and all that, but we never really see that. And he always keeps his mask on, so maybe he had the Soul Stone at one point, but then once he died in the Inhumans TV show, then it went to a new being. No one knows who it is. So, we got the Soul Stone and the Power Stone. So, in the comics, there's this character called Sentry. We haven't yet seen him in the MCU, but he's very powerful. On this chart I found online, you can see that he is one of the most powerful. So maybe he has the Mind Stone. Because there could be some other possibilities, but this one would be epic. How his secret identity is just a normal person until he finds the Mind Stone and he gets Sentry powers. So next after this is, the Space Stone. Now, after he returned the stones, after Captain America returned them in Endgame, we don't really know where they went. Black Widow may be alive for the stone, but it also may have created another monster. But, Space Stone. So, we really never know how Galactus got his powers. I mean, there's probably some explanation, but he hasn't been in the MCU yet. So, possibly, maybe he has that stone after all the stones are returned and it messes up reality and every villain comes in. And also, there may be proof of a Eternals 2 movie with Galactus. So it would kind of make sense for all of reality to be mixed up in Galactus. And look in the background. The same guy that has the Power Stone. So maybe all the villains with all the powers come up against all the heroes with all those powers that have the Infinity Stones. Same for the villain. Okay, so now for the Time Stone. We know that Cho is one of the Hulks. But what if I told you that he kind of does it by tech, and that's what makes him that Hulk? And it could really make him that kind of Hulk that is the new Phase 4 Hulk. You never know. And that he would be powered by the Time Stone is showing that Hulk has evolved over time.